All right, guess what? If you can't delegate, you can't grow your business. And I know it's a tough pill to swallow because we think nobody can do things as well as we can, right? And that's probably true. But if you need everything in your business to be done as well as you, then forget about growing. And I like to think about delegating in 3 sort of steps. And the first is that you want to, whatever you've decided that you want to delegate, learn it first. So learn it yourself. Do it yourself and then delegate it. Now, that might sound a little contradictory. It's like, well, hang on, you're just telling me to delegate it. Why would you tell me to do it? I don't want you to do it forever. I just want you to do it enough to understand it so that when you do delegate it, you know whether it's been done right or not. So first, learn it. So say, for example, let's just take something really simple, like posting content onto your website. You might have a back-end content management system. I've just realized my dogs have joined me. You're right behind me. You might have a content management system. If you don't know how to post blogs on that yourself and you delegate it out, when someone gets stuck, you won't know. So first thing is you want to learn how to make sure that you can post a blog on your system first, document the process, and then do it a few times yourself so you kind of know you're in the driving seat, you know what it feels like, and then delegate it, then pass it to somebody else. Because when they're coming unstuck, you can show them what to do. You can monitor it. You know how long it takes. You know what's realistic and what's not. It really is the biggest thing I come up against for recruitment agency owners. Take the things that are easiest for you to delegate first. Do those and build that muscle. So learn those, do them and delegate them. And then as you feel happier to start releasing other things, then do that as well. And of course, delegating stuff doesn't mean that you wash your hands of it totally. You still want reviews and checks and balances to make sure things are being done properly. You just don't want to be doing everything. So there you go. Quick lesson on how to get stuff off your plate so you can focus on the game-changing stuff that's going to really grow your business for you.